Right now, teens are earning what many doctors make in a year thanks to TikTok's Creator Rewards program. The best part? They're creating straightforward videos that take no more than 20 minutes, and AI does most of the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact formula I use to achieve results like this. Plus, I'll reveal an exciting, untapped niche that you can jump into immediately after watching. Let's dive in and start making money online. Just a few days ago, I was scrolling TikTok late at night when I stumbled across a motivational anime video. At first glance, it looked pretty simple, just anime clips with an AI voiceover. But then I noticed it had over 2 million likes. Curious, I clicked on the account and saw that every video they posted had gone viral. One video alone racked up 10 million views, meaning that single video pulled in around $90,000, which is absolutely crazy. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create videos like these in just 20 minutes or less. Before we dive in, there's one crucial thing you need to know. As you might have heard, TikTok's Creator Rewards program is currently only available in certain countries like the US and UK. But if you're not in one of those regions, don't worry. I've found a simple workaround. There's a website I've mentioned before that offers accounts already set up in eligible countries, so they qualify for the Creator Rewards program. Normally, you'd need 10,000 followers to start earning. But these accounts are pre-approved for monetization, meaning you can start making money from your very first post. I won't go on too long, but if you're looking to start earning quickly, this could be a great option. I've also secured a discount code for you guys, so make sure to use code NATE at checkout to get 15% off your order. Make sure to follow the access instructions carefully to avoid TikTok detecting that you're outside the UK or US. Let's dive into the crazy stuff, starting with the script. This is hands down 90% of what determines your video's success. Even with top-tier editing, a weak script won't get you views. Many creators will claim you can just use ChatGPT for scripting, but that often results in something stiff and outdated. To genuinely connect with your audience, your script needs to sound like a real conversation. Head over to a website called DubDub and select the AI voiceover feature. This AI is specifically designed to create scripts that sound natural and engaging. Click on Ask AI to Write and enter a prompt like the one I'll leave in the description for you to use. We wanted to generate a few motivational quotes for a TikTok focused on motivation and self-improvement. Be sure to specify that you'd like it to use relaxed language. Finally, provide an example of a quote you like and indicate how many quotes you want it to create. Once you've generated the script, read through it to ensure everything looks good. If you want to make any adjustments, simply click the plus button on the left to enter your desired changes. There are plenty of text-to-speech software options available, so feel free to choose any that suit you. Personally, I prefer 11 Labs because it's free and offers some of the most realistic voices. Go to the voice library and select a voice. I recommend choosing a deeper male voice for a motivational vibe, like this one. Paste your script into the software and generate it several times until you find a version you really like. Now that we have our voiceover ready, it's time to create the visuals. Simply using clips from actual anime movies isn't the way to go, as TikTok likely won't monetize that content. Instead, we're going to craft our own original anime clips. This approach gives us a fresh edge in the niche, as it's something audiences haven't seen much of before. We can achieve this with an amazing AI software I discovered not long ago. In fact, I haven't seen many creators discuss this, so pay close attention. The software is called Pika, and it's an incredible AI tool that allows you to create your own anime clips using just a short text prompt. I've spent a lot of time over the past few days learning the ins and outs of how it works, and I've achieved some really impressive results. To get started, focus on matching the footage to your script. Look at the first few sentences of your script and describe them in as much detail as possible to get the best results. Begin by outlining the subject. You can adjust the aspect ratio, but I recommend sticking with 16:9, even though we're creating a TikTok. This is because the software is optimized for anime videos, which typically use that aspect ratio. Don't worry about cropping the video later. I'll walk you through that process. Next, set the frame rate, FPS, to 12, and increase the motion setting to 4. To save this image as a reference for future use, enter a seed number. This allows you to recreate a similar image even if you adjust the prompt. Now, hit generate. If you're happy with the result but want a few tweaks, simply adjust the prompt, and and keep the same seed number. If you're not satisfied at all, you can regenerate with the same prompt, but try a different seed number. Experiment with this until you get an image that fits perfectly with your vision for the video. Once you're satisfied, repeat the process to create enough visuals to cover the entire voiceover. Now let's bring everything together in the edit. I'll demonstrate this part using CapCut, which is completely free, but feel free to use any editing software you prefer. Start by importing the voiceover and dragging it onto the timeline. Remember that voiceover trick I mentioned earlier? Here's where it comes in, so pay close attention. Use the cutting tool to cut out all the pauses and breaths like this, then slightly overlap each clip. This technique will give you a voiceover with a smooth, natural flow, often even better than a real human voice. Now for the visuals. Import your footage and add each clip to the timeline. As you go, step back and review to ensure each clip aligns perfectly with the voiceover, trimming as needed. Switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 and adjust the video size to fully cover the screen. Repeat this process until your entire voiceover is matched with footage. Your clips may look slightly different from each other, but here's how to make them consistent. Select all the clips, go to Adjustments, and set saturation to -50 and brightness to -20. This will turn the video black and white, adding a dark, cinematic vibe. For an extra touch, apply the Noise 2 effect to give it a retro feel. The final step is to add captions. A lot of TikTok users watch videos with little or no sound, so without captions, viewers might assume it's just a random anime video and scroll past, which will hurt your video's performance in the algorithm. To add captions, click on Text and select Auto Captions. The AI will transcribe the entire voiceover for you, saving you tons of time. Use a bold, white font with a black outline to ensure the captions stand out clearly over the footage. With captions added, your video is ready. Now, just export it and upload it to TikTok. Be sure to include a captivating title and relevant hashtags to maximize reach. And you're ready to make some serious money online. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial on creating these AI anime videos or tips on what to do after uploading, just let me know in the comments.